is we're going to take a pin, we're going to put it right through what I call X marks the spot. So that's where those seams intersect and it makes an X. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll stick the pin through, and then I just want to check and make sure it's at the point here. And if it is, then I'm going to stick it through the point here. And that's going to keep those aligned. Then I'm going to take the pin, I'm going to stick it into my little ironing mat here. I'll push it down. This is the Acorn precision piecing glue. I'm going to put it right in the seam, just a little dab down there. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm going to press it down, keeping everything nice and aligned. And then once I get that on there, you just heat it up real quick. It's a very temporary glue. It kind of acts like a pin. So then as she sews this and goes right through X marks the spot, her points should stay together.
Nice.
And sometimes what happens is when you're stitching it, it shifts, and then you pull it out and you're like, oh, my points don't match, and you're stitch ripping. Don't move it a lot because this will move. I mean, but it